Hello everybody, it is Trainboy here, and welcome back to Trainboy's Layout. Today, we are going to be looking at a Walthers Mainline SD70ACe. I got this model for $90 on eBay. I believe there are others, about $100 with shipping. And this is a very nice model. I can't wait to run it around my layout more, and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. So here we go. Okay, so now that we got the model down here, I'm going to be opening up the box. So, pop this side open. We're going to pull it out. Put the box over there. So now we can see the model in all of its glory. Gotta pick up this piece carefully, and here we have a DC chip. Now I've already replace the DC chip with a DCC chip. We got this little plow piece. So yeah, now we're going to pull the model out. There's two places where you put your hands, and that makes it very easy to pull this thing out. Now you can see that this has these foam pieces here that protect these pieces, so we're just going to remove those. Put that to the side, just in case this thing ever has to go into storage or anything like that. You want to keep these. So we take the other side out, and then, as you can see, we can look at that beautiful artwork of that American flag there. This is a great example of how well detailed some of these models can get, because this is fully painted on. You can see we have the Union Pacific Building America over here. The cab number is very well placed, and they even went as far to detail the type of engine that it is right here. So, I'm going to pull it back a little bit. This model was DCC ready, as I said. It comes with ditch lights here, and the regular headlight with the number on it. These ditch lights do work. I don't know how to get them to do like the flashing stuff, but I'm working on that. The other side is mostly the same, but instead of having the like low step area, this one has this higher area here, which you would climb up some stairs here. Now on the back, it really isn't much. There's the guardrail, and sadly they did not separately install like anything, or actually most of this is separately installed. Then if we look at the top of this model, it has a horn, and it has these fan areas. Now the one thing I wish they would do is that this fan is painted, as you can see. Don't know if these ones would be, but if they are, that would be nice to have those painted. One of the really cool things that I saw that when I looked at this model was that if you look really closely, there's actually cab detail in here, and you can see that there's full 100% cab detail. Now on the bottom of the loco, you can see that, yes, I did figure this out. It is all-wheel pickup, so this thing runs smoothly. The bottom just has the company logo and name, and then it has the two screws here, which, if you pull this off, it's easier to get to the screws here. Now, one of the quirks that I found out about this engine was that there are so many screws holding the body on. There's one here, 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 and here. And you have to take the couplings off. There were so many screws to take off, it was insane. This is one of the hardest engines to get into, I think. So yeah, now I'm going to show you how it runs on the layout. Might give it a few cars, and we'll see how that goes. So yeah. Okay everybody, so now I have the engine set up. I have the engine on my phone, so I can run it. Now if you can see, this model's lights are very, very bright. If I were put you directly in front of it, they are very bright and they look amazing. You can see those working ditch lights. So now I'm going to turn up the speed. I have this, I'm going to set it to about 20%. Now I have already run this model in. You can see it runs very smoothly. So yeah, you can see that it runs very smoothly. And this is only 20% speed. And it this camera does not like me going close up. So yeah, I'm going to connect it to some cars, and I am going to run it for you guys. So yeah, be right back when that's ready.